dog. Well, today I can finally concentrate on getting my my outside walls done. I'm gonna get throw this up over the top so I can get the furlings on here and start getting the metal up. First step is to go ahead and get the furling strips so I have something to attach the metal with. And I'm going to do that by lining them up with the upright holes and putting carriage bolts through to hold it. Alright, this is what I'm doing today. I've got my strips across now, so now I can go ahead and get my metal siding up. So that's what I've been doing today on my Sunday. Alright, well, here we are. What a job. Can't even keep my screws straight. Can't on the bottom though. I gotta go around across the top. I've got another piece of skylight that's gonna go in that hole there, and then on the back side I got two pieces that are going in the back of that as well. I'm thinking down the road maybe put actual windows in, but for right now that's where I'm at, and I'll have to go back eventually and get some more screws put in, but I'm not worried about it. I can put them in at any time. So there we go. That's what I did today. And I'm gonna we gotta make another run to Lowe's. I've got to get right under the edge where they meet again. I got to get some overlapping or underlapping metal to come across. That's going to be brown, so it'll match the upper trim, and then come up underneath this side here. So that's where I'm at. Hey, Dana. All right, this is my last day of putting up full sheets on my lift garage. So I'm doing it across the back now, and then the rest of it's just putting in those plastic sheets for the windows and then trimming it. And then next big thing will be putting in the doors in the front. But other than trimming and the doors, my long sheet days are over with for this. And it's been a long day, long time coming, because I've been probably working on this thing for about 3 months now. And then once I get the doors done as far as the building's concerned, the next thing is to put down the concrete pad, and that's where I'm at. All right, here I am. I'm finishing up I got one more piece here, and then I'll have a trim piece that's got to come around, and here we are. Now the last thing is just go ahead and get it screwed. That's the thing. I got everything pretty much temporary screwed, but it is solid, so I don't have to worry about wind ripping anything apart. It's just now, once I come back, then it's gonna go ahead and get my screws in. But that's where I'm at right now, and it looks like I'm gonna get wet here in a little while. All right, there it is, my last long piece for this project. in a three-month evolution. Going right up on the corner and finally celebrate. Holy cow. It's been a long evolution in my life. Alrighty, here we are. I got my wall up. Next thing I gotta get some trim. Come underneath that, then come down. I'll take care of that. But other than that, my screws are in tight. I've got to get my pieces of plastic window in here, and then I've got to put a piece of trim on the corner. So there we go. That was my last big piece of paneling I had to put in, and then I'm gonna get some rebar out here, and then fill this in so it's level over here. I'm also going over here, do the same out here. I got some big stone I can put over here to make another parking spot. So it's my next set of projects. Okay, here's an add-on. This is I'm using the multi-cutter right now, and I'm cutting right down that little pitch area right here. And I didn't even mark it. I just followed right down it because I can see it perfectly right down the line. And it don't take anything. It'd be nice to have a little bit longer blade right now, because as you can see, it's getting really close. I should have just enough to finish it. Make sure you wear a mask and your glasses when you're doing it, and a pair of gloves. Hey, Daniel, welcome to my blog. It's a continuation of building my lift garage. Well, this is the 4th of July, and what am I doing? Well, for a couple hours I'm insulating my roofing here, and that requires these things here. These are the downward seals. As you can see how you do it, you put it up underneath the flashing and it faces down. And I've got another which is opposite this, and those are used for the upward insulation. So if you've got a flat surface and you're putting this on it, then it's going to face up and it's going to seal the underside of this. So this is kind of a pain because I didn't get these when I was doing the flashing to begin with. So now I'm going back and sliding it under. It does have a seal, does have glue seal on the bottom of it, so it sticks to the panel. But it is kind of a pain in the butt. But if you're going to keep the water from rolling back underneath the flashing, you've got to have it. Or you could probably use spray foam and slide it under there and spray it. It'll seal it. But these are only like $1 something, pack of 4.